Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to easily create a chatbot in Python with free source code step-by-step tutorial. So to begin, open Visual Studio Code onto your device and open in or create a file folder to go ahead and store our chatbot. So we're going to create a Python file in here. So I have one already onto my end, which is main.py. But if you haven't onto your end, simply click onto the icon in here to create a file inside your folder. So the first thing that we need to do is to install OpenAI. So to install this onto Python, let's open our terminal in here, click on new terminal, and we're going to type in this following command: pip install OpenAI. Then click onto enter and wait for this one to be done downloading. So it should go ahead and look something like this. While it is downloading, you'll just have to wait for this one to be done. Now you should be able to see something like this that says it is successfully installed once it is done. Now the first thing that we need to do in here to start creating our chatbot is to import OpenAI .api key like this. So you should be able to see something like this. So instead of paste your key in there, type in the key or your API key. So if you don't have one, so just simply go to https://platform.openai.com/api-keys so that you could create your own secret key. So just type in the name for that, your project, and then create your secret key. So you need to go ahead and avail to the paid version of ChatGPT for this or OpenAI. So going back, let's type in our key in there. And then right after, just go ahead and type in this code. So just type in this following code in here to easily create your chatbot. So just make sure to pause the video so that you could get all of the codes in there correctly. Then right after, to test this one out, just go ahead and run this to the terminal. Your terminal over here, click on your terminal, and you should be able to type in here Python, then main.py, the name or the file name of your Python file. So click onto enter. So you should be able to see a U option in there. So this is the part of the code in here, which is this one, wherein it asks you to input the first prompt that you want to say to the chatbot. So you can just try to type out anything in there, just like hi or something like that. But here onto my tutorial, I don't think that this will go through since I think I've exceeded the limit of the free API key. So you need to go ahead and subscribe or get the pro plan or paid version of OpenAI's API key to proceed with this. So you'll just have to click onto enter so that you'll see the error just like this. So as you can see, I have exceeded the current quota. So you'll just need to go ahead and check for the billing plan for that to proceed. But otherwise, if you've gone ahead and successfully entered that, you should be able to see a response, just like a response from ChatGPT or any chatbot. And that is just how easy you could go ahead and create a Python GPT chatbot step-by-step guide. And if you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.